So we are so excited to have you all here today because we have the honor of representing so many cast members here at Walt Disney World, and all of us are thrilled that you will be here for an exclusive sneak peek of our newest upcoming resort, Lakeshore Lodge. Are we excited?
It's an exhilarating time to be here at Walt Disney World, especially with so many exciting projects ahead. Disney Lakeshore Lodge is one of the largest, and it will be one of our most breathtaking resorts. To give us more details about the design and inspiration behind Lakeshore Lodge, we are proud to have Executive Architect Dean Husband and Senior Show Manager Amy Watts from Walt Disney Imagineering here with us today.
Thanks. Good morning again. Great to see you all. And it's wonderful to be here and share a bit more about our project, Disney's Lakeshore Lodge. So that's us. Myself, Amy Watts, you'll be speaking with Amy on the boat as well. We're really excited to be able to take you guys out in the water today too. That's a very unique opportunity, especially for a Walt Disney World resort in construction right now. So as Dave mentioned, this is a beautiful depiction of the resort that will be coming to Walt Disney World, located on the south shore of Bay Lake, Disney Lakeshore Lodge. A beautiful opportunity for us in this resort setting on the south shore of Bay Lake to engage with nature very specifically. So for us at the resort, or at Walt Disney Imagineering, we look at the resort as an opportunity to be unique to its context, be unique to its environment and its setting. And that context and setting here is all about nature and the nature experience. So as we're planning the resort carefully, we want to be able to take advantage of existing opportunities in this nature setting. As guests arrive at the resort, their experience will unfold down a 1-mile tree-lined vista that will create kind of a nature compression. And the unveiling will be, as you see here at the resort, and immediately greeted with these kind of larger gestures toward nature within the design and architecture of the resort. The Port Cochere entry area here, meant to be inspired by a bird in flight, some of those larger gestures, and also the idea of grand gestures of foliage right on the tower specifically, both to the east and to the west. So again, there's varying levels, as you can see here, varying stories in the tower. We have all of the requirements of our resorts typically to allow for ease of transport of our guests to our theme parks and other opportunities and experiences within Walt Disney World. This second render is a new image, and so that we're really excited to share with you all. So this is basically taken on the other side, almost as if you're floating above Bay Lake, specifically looking back at the resort specifically. So that lobby volume that you saw there that I mentioned is of course front and center on this side as well. But now we're showcasing all the experiences within the resort specifically. So as you can see here, with the building specifically, we move out in distinct wings to be able to step down to the water and engage the resort experience. But even within that, as you can see here, we have a very specific set of guest experiences here. This area is packed with amazing recreational opportunities for our guests. But we also have other options for our guests as well. Around the way, between the two next wings, other opportunities. It's very important that our guests have a variety of experiences within their resort stay as a complement to their overall experience at Walt Disney World.
It's stunning, and I love all of the nature way that you've really captured that in the resort, and I can't wait to see it. And you guys are now going to go get to experience that on the boat. Yay!
We are here on the boat. We're on one of the style of boats. It's kind of like the Magic Kingdom resort ferries, like you see at Grand Floridian Polynesian usually. There's Lakeshore Lodge. So we're going to be getting a little closer.
Imagineering, and I am so excited to be sharing Disney Lakeshore Lodge with you all today, and I'm so excited that you're able to experience this by boat, because look how amazing it is. You are going to be even more amazed once you step foot on our site. This is actually kind of where everything began for us as Imagineers, by taking many boat rides along Bay Lake. I mean, this is one of those beautiful places that we have. You have Wilderness Lodge right next door to us, telling stories of the Pacific Northwest. You have Fort Wilderness, showing our rustic experiences with nature, and we really wanted to share how we're so inspired by this location, and we're so inspired by the nature stories that our Disney storytellers have been telling throughout the company's history. Many unique details, little storytelling moments all throughout our resort. There are lots of small pieces that we're not quite ready to share with you all, but we're looking forward to sharing them in the coming months. So thank you all so much for being here. Woo!